So my lighting's a little bright because it's about 2 in the afternoon and I'm at my kitchen table. So I bought these at Hobby Lobby. They were 50% off, so they wound up being about 16 cents each, which was more cost effective than buying yards. I bought 3 colors, 3 shades of green, and these will be our leaves for our garland. These measure right at just about 10 inches. So I'm actually going to cut them in half and then in strips this way. So let me do that. I have to remember to smile more when I do these videos. I have such a natural, serious face that I always look like I'm mad, especially when I'm thinking. So I'll smile. I really am very friendly. Okay. So these are about 5 inches wide. So next I'm going to cut them in about 1-inch strips. And we're going to wind up tying these just on a piece of twine. So let's see how that's going to look. I don't want them to be super long. Well, they might need to be a little longer. So they're going to be like this, but we are going to cut the eagles off. I'm going to have to go find some better scissors. So they're going to be a little more like this. And they're going to be bunched up together, tied on twine with the different colors. Thick or spread it out and make it thinner, and I'm not sure, I might put some little red berries here and there. I have lots more to do, so I better get going.